All right, guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to the aftermarket recap. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of G.A.R Capital. Thank you so much for joining me today and every afternoon, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Quick housekeeping note, tomorrow there is no morning note. Tomorrow there is no aftermarket recap. The markets are closed tomorrow, so enjoy your Christmas holiday with you and your family. Let's go ahead and get to it. Before we begin, bottom right-hand corner of your screen, click on that, turn on notifications, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, smash that like button if you like these videos. Really do appreciate it. I just posted a video on my precious metals holdings. I just posted it about an hour ago. Take a look at it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Using APMEX, which is the website where I buy gold and silver. Thank you, Anthony Acosta, for that, putting me on gold and silver and platinum. He is our CIO, and he got me onto that. He has way more cool shit than me, that's for sure. All right, let's talk about it. Dow Jones closed 196 points, 0.55%. The Nasdaq gained 0.85%. The S&P closed at new all-time highs, 47.25. The VIX closed down 3.60%. It's below 18 now at 17.96. The dollar index down about 0.02%, 96.05 marginal down. IWM, which is small caps, up 0.80% at 222.04. Mind you, we had the 218 calls expiring yesterday. Insane. High yield credit gained today, 0.29%, 87.16. Investment grade credit, 0.15% to the downside, 132.70. The 10-year, 1.493%. Give me a second. On the 10-year, 1.493%. Excuse me. Gold up 0.23% on GLD, which is the gold ETF, 168.97, 21.16 for the SLV, which is the silver ETF, 0.28% to the upside. Crude oil did gain 1.37%, 73.76 a barrel. For futures gold, 1810 is your spot price currently on futures. I mean, it's futures, not spot. 1810 an ounce, 22.91 for silver. Take a look at Ethereum and Bitcoin. Crypto did bounce today. I actually bought some more crypto today. I bought some more Matic today. 4,120 for Ethereum, up 2.88%. Bitcoin futures 50,895, up 3.77%. Cool. Let's take a look at some crypto together. Here is what I got. I did buy some more Matic today. As you can see, I bought it right here, 366 Matic, about $1,000 worth. I also added a reoccurring. I can't believe I didn't have it under reoccurring for every week. And I also bought, like I do every week, every Thursday, Tezos. I also bought more SPY G today. That's reoccurring every Thursday. So again, nice 3.36% increase in the crypto portfolio. I expect crypto to continue to rally towards the end of the year as long as the market stays rallying, which we are. We'll go over that chart here in a second on the S&P. So let's go ahead and expand our stuff here. SPX, you can see all-time high 4,740. It still was an all-time closing high for the S&P. This is the S&P spot index, not the futures. We are, well, all-time highs is 4740. We're now done at 4725. That was the close. It's still the all-time closing high, but intraday high is 4740. I put an alert at 4743. If that does break, 4800 may be in watch. So keep an eye on SPX. Let's take a look at E-mini futures together. These are futures contracts. 4722 was the level I was looking at. I said any kind of break above that would be a spectacular. That's what I said on Twitter. 4743 would be next in focus. So again, what I would want as a trader is possibly on Monday, maybe get a retest of 4700, maybe reload some SPY, buy some 473s, 474s for next week. I don't have any SPY contracts open. But again, I do like SPY looking into next week, but I want to see how futures open on Sunday and how we open the cash session on Monday. All I have open right now is really Riot and Mara. Riot broke above the 200-day moving average. My target is right around 27. That's the target I'm looking for Riot. In terms of Mara, kind of the same deal, broke above the 200-day. My target is right at 40. I have those open. Did close some AMD intraday calls. We did that. I posted that on Twitter and Instagram. You can see it here on Twitter. Let's see if I can find it. I did some commentary on ESF. So here's a tweet. Watching AMD here. Let's see if we get a break of 146 to target 148 and 149. Other than that, not much going on. Volume pretty quiet as expected. Broke 146. Posted this at 10:06 a.m. this morning. Then 5 hours ago, which is about I think 30 minutes later, I went to 148. and then we caught it. We caught it here. This is Josh. Josh did the 145s and the 147s. Well done, but he has some major stones because he did it for Friday. For today, which was insane. I was a little more conservative. I did the 148 calls with everybody else. Got him in the money. Got 40% out of it. His highs around 55, and then it came back down. But it's for next week anyways. I closed them. I took it. I'm happy with it. Obviously, that doesn't make up for the Microsoft call that didn't work out. But again, one day at a time, right? Then of course I talked about S&P. You can see it closed above 47.22, which would be spectacular. 4,800 by next week is a possibility. I just said that. But in terms of looking at the market in general, let's take a look back at ES. If we're looking at it here, here's where you start getting to the point of risk reward isn't worth it. I wouldn't go long here. Obviously, we're starting to hit major resistance at 47.43. Unless you expect a blow off top, there's not really much to do here. Talked about Tesla on Twitter as well. I said a break of 1020, maybe go long. Right now, you're starting to hit that resistance. 1100 seems to be the next resistance above it. If you start getting above 1080, maybe you start taking a look at the 1200s for next week. Maybe. The problem is that they're so expensive. Tesla's on the move, but well done to everyone who's caught it. Look at the names that led today: Mara, Riot, Football, Tesla, Coin, Snap, Roku, Blink, CGC, THCX, Neo, Peloton, Upstart, AMD. That's all telling you that risk on is back on, or still risk on is still on, and growth is definitely like the soup of the day. That's what we're seeing. So pretty nice to see. Of course, I hope you guys caught AMD with me, and that's basically it for the most part. There's no market tomorrow, and next week it's a full week. New Year's Eve there will be the market being open. All right, what's going on? GS, aren't the markets open till 1? No, markets are completely closed tomorrow. If you had to put 10K away, where would you put it in invest now? SPY-G. That's exactly what I would do. What are you thinking of lithium long term? I have to research a little bit more, Sahil. I haven't taken a look at lithium. I need to, though. What about HUT? Also a proxy for BTC. I have never heard about that coin. I really don't know about it. I had to do a little more research, Jose, and I'll take a look at it, but I really don't know much about it. And can you give me your top 4 cryptos you invest right now? Yeah, let's go ahead and look at it. The top 4 that I have, and this is all based upon how much I own of it. Polygon being my 4th largest holding. Graph, the GRT, is my 3rd biggest holding. The 2nd biggest holding is Ethereum, and my largest holding is Bitcoin. You can see it. It's right here. Bitcoin, I have about 2.2467-ish. I have about 13 Ethereum, 13,211 Graph, and about 1,376 Polygon Matic. And then it's Tezos and Luna kind of fighting for that 4th spot for the most part. And then Stellar and Ripple. I can't do anything with Ripple. I can't sell it. It doesn't matter. And then I have Shiba and SushiSwap where they are extremely speculative. But most of my stuff is really Bitcoin and Ethereum for the whole portfolio. So that's where we are. HUT is a mining company like Mara, Riot. Oh, okay, gotcha. I just looked at the volume, and Mara and Riot have been that Bitcoin proxy. Looking at HUT here, above the 200. So again, kind of the same deal. They kind of run together. I don't know if there was any volume or options on it. I can take a look. They're probably cheaper. I don't own the stock. But yeah, you could see HUT is on fire. So there you go. So another Bitcoin proxy, HUT, Mara, and Riot. Good call there. I have Mara and Riot open. I expect crypto to continue rallying towards the weekend. Let's see what we get in terms of the market. Obviously, tomorrow being a holiday, I don't expect tons of movement for the most part. But again, let's see what we get in terms of market movement at the end of the week, being tomorrow. But crypto is open tomorrow. I don't think futures are open tomorrow. So there is no morning note. There's no aftermarket recap. I'm going to catch you guys again on Monday morning for our morning note. I just like to wish you guys, from me and the team, a very happy holiday. Merry Christmas to you guys. Hope you guys have a safe holiday with your family. Please enjoy. Stay safe, everybody. Don't drink and drive or anything crazy. You know the drill. Just, don't get too messed up, have too much fun. And of course, as always, I always recommend, do something nice for somebody. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money. Call an old friend, tell them that you miss them, or, even a compliment to somebody really goes a long way. Kindness never goes out of style, guys. So that's one thing I always recommend at Christmas. It doesn't have to be money. You can always call that old friend. Sometimes you'd be surprised calling an old friend. You don't know their struggles, what they're going through. And, it takes 2 seconds to pick up the phone, contact a friend, tell them to say Merry Christmas, and you're happy to have them in your life. It's really nice to say. Do you think we'll continue this end rally next week? Yes, I do. I expect us to continue this. 4,800 is my target in the S&P. We're starting to hit support on the hourly on the VIX, but we have until 15, which would get us to around 4,800 on the S&P. So I think the VIX has a little more lower to go. And thank you, Merry Christmas. Thank you, Jose. Thank you, Super Ashazad, Angie, Saif, and GS. Appreciate you guys as always. Please hit that like button if you like these videos. Check out the precious metals video. It's a quick one, about 3.5 minutes. Kind of go over my precious metals holding, how do I track it, and all that good stuff. So have a Merry Christmas, guys. Have a great holiday. We'll catch you guys Monday, bright and early, for the morning note. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy your weekend, and go Cowboys. See you later.